Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Dindigal location. It is from Tamil Nadu. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is job opening available in Bajaj Finserv. They are looking for Assistant Manager PLCS growth, and coming to the required qualifications and experience for this job role, like the candidate should be a graduate or postgraduate and with relevant experience of 1 to 2 years in the financial service industry, and the candidate should have excellent communicational skills and exceptionally high motivational levels, and the candidate need to be self-starter. And these are some qualifications and experience for the desired candidates. And coming to the duties and responsibilities, like track and improve key performance indicators such as query resolution time, repeat queries, etc., and liaise with sales team and IT team to ensure reduction of sales queries and bottlenecks, and build various process or policy checks on SFDC workflow to ensure minimum leakages downstream by working closely with IT or COE teams. These are some duties and responsibilities for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for HR head manufacturing sector in Dindigal, and it is from Carlo Training and HR Solutions Private Limited. And if you see the requirements for this job role, like the candidates should have experience for 7+ years in manufacturing industry, and the candidate should have excellent organizational skills and attention to detail, and the candidate should have strong analytical and problem solving skills, and for this job role males are preferred, and the candidate should know the languages like English, Tamil and Hindi. And coming to the qualifications required, like MBA is preferred. And if you see the salary, like it will be up to 40,000. And interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for marketing executive in Mass Solar Systems Private Limited. And if you see the requirements for this job role, like any degree candidate who can apply, and freshers are also eligible for this job role. And the candidate must have two-wheeler with a valid license and willing to travel, and the work location will be Dindigul, and petrol allowance plus performance incentives will be given. And this is a full-time job opportunity. For this job role, freshers also can apply, and it will be a walk-in, and salary will be 18 to 22,000 per month. And coming to the benefits, like cell phone reimbursement, health insurance, internet reimbursement and provident fund. And coming to the schedule, like it will be a morning shift, and if you see the supplemental pay, like performance bonus and yearly bonus. And for this job role, 1 year of experienced candidates can be preferred. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for NPT professional meat products in Shanti Feeds Private Limited. Coming to the job description, like they are looking for an experienced new product development professional who is responsible for food product development and formulation and production of prepared meat based foods products, and the candidate must possess good experience in working with food preparation process, like mixing, forming, cooking, preservation and evaluation. And ideal candidates should have a background in food technology or food science or food processing or culinary sciences, or experience as sous chef or executive chef with a mandatory exposure to development of prepared foods. And candidates with experience only can apply. And this is a full-time job opportunity, and it will be a day shift. And coming to the experience required, like 5 years of experience is required in these ones. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for marketing executive in Classy Furniture. And if you see the required experience and qualifications for this job role, like the candidates who have 2 years plus proven experience as a marketing executive in a B2B role, and proficiency in Tamil and English, and ability to influence and negotiate with clients, and the candidate should be a fast learner and passion for sales, and the candidate should be self-motivated and driven by targets, and the candidates should have excellent communicational skills to inspire clients and their staffs and to represent the brand. And for this job role, bachelor's degree is required. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for sales executive in Jay Lakshmi Auto Works and Agencies Private Limited. And if you see the required experience and qualifications, like the candidates who have any degree or diploma or BE, MEC, and freshers and 2 to 3 years of expensive candidates can apply. And the candidates should have good communicational skills, and the candidates should be attractive to personals and sales operations. And for this job type, it will be full time, and freshers also eligible, and it will be a walk-in, and salary will be 10 to 15,000 per month, and it will be a day shift. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for tool room supervisor in ARS engineering, and this is a full-time job opportunity and commission pay. And coming to the salary, it will be 12 to 17,000 per month. And coming to the benefits, like they will provide food allowance and provident fund. And if you see the requirements for this job role, like person should have experience in tool room for minimum for 5 years, and he or she must have experience in process planning and scheduling in tool room. These are some requirements for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for English teacher in Vivekananda Vidya Mandir Senior 6 School, and they are hiring urgent, and they are looking for TGT English to handle 9th and 10th classes for their CBSE school. And if you see the salary, like they will provide 35k plus food and accommodation. And coming to the experience required, like minimum 3 years, and qualifications will be UG or PG plus BET is mandatory, and the contract length will be 24 months, and the job type will be full time or contract, and the salary will be 35,000 per month. And coming to the experience required, like 3 years is required. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for the accountancy and business studies teacher in the same school, like it is Vivekananda Vidya Mandir Senior 6 School. And if you see the qualification for this job role, like PG with BEd, and minimum 3 years of work experience is required, and the salary will be 40k per month plus food and accommodation, and contract length is 24 months, and it is a full-time job role, and it will be a contract. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.